What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Welcome back. Thanks again for stopping by Not Your Father's Capital. I'm Mark, and as per usual, guys, we're going to be talking ICP on this day. Every single day we talk crypto on the channel. Make sure you guys are all subscribed. And if you guys hold ICP, make sure you drop that ICP down below in the comments box. Let's get this fired up here on YouTube. And also, if you guys are on X, make sure you guys are all following me on there. Never miss a beat when I drop something on that platform as well. But let's get down into it, guys. And please remember, not financial advice. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts as it relates to crypto, and in this case specifically ICP, and a little bit in the broader crypto market. All right, so do your own research, due diligence, all that good stuff. But let's get into it. I'm going to share with you guys also my thoughts at the end of this video. We'll take a quick dive into the Tradingview, look at the chart, and I'm going to give you guys my perspectives as we move forward into 2024. So please stick around to the end of the video, and let's get down into it, okay? Because ICP was on a little bit of a dip, okay? And that's something very important as we look into what's going on with the broader crypto market, right? We know the Bitcoin spot ETF this week, it's going to be a big headline, guys. And if you've noticed and you've been following ICP's chart, it's not really been correlating within the same way that we see with a Nakamoto coefficient within other cryptos, how they just basically piggyback off of that tide rising and falling. But ICP has been carving its own path. And today, guys, it's kind of done the same thing in comparison to the rest of the market. Despite the rest of the market being bullish, ICP is on an absolute tear today, up 20.5% as I currently record for you guys. So very fascinating, very good day for ICP. So let's all take time and celebrate wins, guys. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you own ICP and you took profits today, congratulations. Just due to the fact that it is very few and far between this past year, in a bear cycle, guys, it really was a rough and rocky road for a lot of us crypto traders. All right, but always, and I'm not going to ever hate on you guys for hodling. If you guys are in ICP for the long run, don't let me know down below in the comments, why would you take profits on ICP? I could totally see that one coming. I should have known from a mile away and watched what I said. But the community is very strong with ICP, that's for sure. So I would not be surprised either way. But nonetheless, let's get back into it. Let's talk ICP because right now the pattern within the chart is suggesting that $20 rebound is next. Right, we basically ate up that dip where we had that $11 shortfall, and then recently engulfed into a more upward continuation. Now we have basically seen ICP ascend past the 20-day, the 50-day, 100, and even the 200 EMA. That is a very aggressive indicator on the charts, guys, showing even more with the ICP trading volume, the intraday trading volume at $10.2 billion. 78% gain in that metric. Absolutely fascinating when we talk about ICP. But more so, we have to get into exactly what the patterns are forming. We see ICP having a cup and handle formation. Forgive me, not really familiar with that one. That's a new one in my book, but that is something that's been developing over the last 18 months. I don't really use TA too much when I do my crypto trading. I use it more as a tiebreaker. If I'm trying to form my own opinion, sometimes I'll look at some TA, but historically, guys, it works with stocks, not so much for me with crypto trading because there's not really enough historical data out there, not just with ICP, even with Bitcoin, and some of the smaller caps especially. It's just too volatile really to apply that. But I will show you in a couple minutes, a couple seconds actually, when we get to it. When we take a look in the Tradingview, I have a very interesting tool that you guys might want to be interested in if you guys do make any crypto trades regularly, okay? But let's get into it and talk more about how that $11 resistance line was kind of how we have our new support. That is kind of a newly established floor for ICP. When we look into how, we continue the uptrend and we realize that, if we came from $3, $4, $5 ICP, now $11 is firmly that floor. That's a very good confirmation that where we were at with ICP right here, right now on the charts. I'm very much comfortable, not looking too much into the future, but a sharp decline from these levels in the near to intermediate future is something that I personally am not worried about. And that's kind of how I view ICP, guys. We have a very strong indication of a recovery, right? That's a lot of it to go in and correlate with how these metrics, the bullishness, ascending through those EMAs, that's what I really look for. And now with basically Bitcoin, even though we have not really been showing that correlation, Bitcoin up above 46, 47,000, spot ETFs, it's going to be a very wild ride for crypto in the near future. Okay, but let's get into it. Let's talk Tradingview, all right? In Tradingview, you can see probably what we are doing on the charts. And if you've been following other cryptos on the day, Look at this green upswing, guys. Absolutely incredible across the board. And if you're wondering, guys, what these little boxes are basically accompanying this trend up into the green, this is my indicator I use, okay? And within this indicator, it's not a crystal ball. It's not a genie that's going to make you instantly rich, but it is a very, very good tool for crypto trading. I use it within Tradingview. It's a partner of mine. I know the people who built it. It's very much a very, very strong crypto tool. I've used it to make a lot of money trading within Tradingview, and it's not so much where you got to time the lows and time the highs. No, there's a little bit more wiggle room. It's not going to get it exactly, but I have seen, just like we're looking at this chart right here, guys, momentum down, boom, and then we fell down under $10, a little bit above $10, below 10.5, and then, you know, that's the bottom. But when you're trading and you're wondering, is it time to sell? Is it time to sell? Should I buy more? And you really don't know where the exact bottom is, and you're trying to time it, you're going to get burnt that way. I've done it multiple times. It's left me with stocks, with crypto. You end up missing out on some gains. So here's the indicator. Flash momentum up. You get that momentum up flashing. And now look at it, guys. You're basically holding on to ICP and riding this up above $13. Once again, we were just there a couple days ago without really having to worry about it, and it still has not done anything. Now, when it flashes momentum down, if I was actively looking to swing trade ICP and I wasn't so long on it personally, then I would possibly look at taking some profits or exiting my position. Very fascinating stuff. I don't know if you guys are familiar with indicators, but if you want to check out a good one, I have the link down below in the description, xtalgo.com. Use promo code NYFC accompanied with a 30-day risk-free trial on the site, as well as 20% off if you use my code right down there in the description. So very fascinating stuff. ICP continues its move into the green, 20% on the day. You can't make that stuff up, guys. It's going to be a wild ride with the Bitcoin ETF coming. And guys, if you guys follow me on X, you guys I know talk about ICP a lot. So if you ever want to drop me a line or just keep the discussion going, I always appreciate feedback. I try to respond to each and every one of you guys. But I thank you guys for the growth on the channel. It means a lot to me. It's really starting to move and pick up some steam. And that's what we want to see. We want to see constant growth. And that's what we're getting on the charts with ICP and with my YouTube channel. And it's all thanks to you guys. So I appreciate you all, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.